Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how to spice up your chicken with pepper. Yes, our chicken is nicely washed. Yes, nicely washed with some vinegar. I added some sliced onion, some bouillon cube, some salt to taste, a little thyme. Yes, and also I added curry powder. I'll be giving it a quick stir for everything to combine properly. I will not be adding any water at this point. I'll cover the pot. At this point, our meat has brought out its own juice. I'll be adding water now for the meat to cook until it's properly done. I'll cover the pot. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead to prep our pepper mix, our ginger, garlic, onion, habanero pepper, and all that. I'll be blending. Yes, while that is set aside, I'll check if our meat is nicely cooked. At this point, our meat is nicely cooked. Our chicken rather, sorry. I'll be taking our chicken off the stock. I'll be setting aside the stock for something else. Yes, I'll be adding some olive oil into the pot. While I go in with our pepper mix, I'll give it a quick stir to make sure everything is combined properly. I'll cover the pot and allow it to simmer in the medium heat. I'll check if it's okay to add my spices. At this point, it's okay. I'll go in with the salts. I'll go in with the curry powder, some aromat seasoning powder. Next is spice city powder. And after this, I'll go in with some bouillon cubes and give it a quick stir and cover the pot for it to simmer. At this point, guys, I have fried my chicken behind the camera and I'll be adding it now. Look at the face of that chicken. So I'll be stirring for them to meet each other, okay? For the pepper mix and the chicken to meet each other. Yes, guys, at this point, I think they've known each other very well. So I'll be taking some. Yes, guys, you need to perceive the aroma coming out from my kitchen. This is just simple and nice. You don't have to break the bank, okay? See you again. Bye.